The following segment is sponsored by 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Spring cleaning is right around the corner, and if you have some old items that you aren't sure how to get rid of, 1-800-GOT-JUNK can help you out. Bennett is here with them, and Bennett, welcome to the show. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. I feel like your services are much needed. A lot of people are thinking about spring cleaning, kind of cleaning out their house. But let's talk about, is there a lot of prep work needed prior to you guys coming?
Absolutely nothing. And in fact, we actually prefer that because part of our service is to make sure that you're completely taken care of. So we're just like the commercials. Just have us over for that free estimate. Just point and we'll make sure the items are taken care of.
So easy. Love it. You guys will take care of everything. And let's talk about what sets you guys apart from the competition out there.
Yeah, first and foremost, we provide what we call a full premium service. So what that means is, just like I said, we take all the items for you. We just want you to point and we'll make the items disappear. More than that, our service is more than just junk removal. And a lot of other companies don't really do that. So, I've shoveled driveways before, raked leaves, cleaned up gutters, all that stuff. But more than that, we're a same-day service as well.
That's amazing.
And really no other company does that, and that's just because we have the most amount of team members compared to any other company, and we have more trucks. So all you have to do is give us a call, and we'll be there literally within 2 hours.
That's incredible. You guys really do make it so easy. You have the resources. What are you guys not able to take? Are there certain items or?
Yeah, so we can take just about anything. The only 3 things we can't take are oil, wet paint, and gasoline, and that's just because, the city doesn't get too excited when oil, wet paint, and gas falls on the roadway, right? So that's the only things we don't take. What we really specialize in is a lot of those bigger items, that other companies won't take, like pianos, hot tubs, things of that nature. And I've taken some pretty incredible things in my time.
Oh, I bet you have some stories.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever taken?
Weirdest thing, okay, I once cut up a box truck, like a moving box truck. Took me about 10 hours with a teammate, and we put that truck into, well, a couple of our trucks. But yeah, we got it taken care of.
Wow, so you guys really are the go-to guys. And what makes your business so special? You really are all about customer service, right?
100%. So we're actually locally owned and operated. All of our teammates are either from Salt Lake City or have spent the majority of their lives here. So we really have a connection to the community, and we take that very seriously. So more than seeing ourselves just as junkers first, we see ourselves as customer service specialists. So our #1 goal is to make sure that you're satisfied, whatever that takes. Like I always tell our customers, it doesn't matter if you have a piano in the crawl space, hot tub in the attic, you got a monkey in the basement, we got a guy for that, no problem. So at the end of the day, we just want to make sure that you're satisfied, and so we'll do anything that we have to do around your house to make sure that you are satisfied.
That's amazing. You guys are awesome. All right, Bennett, what are your hours, and where can we call?
Yeah, so we're open 7 days a week. Monday through Saturday, we start at 8 a.m. and we go till 7 p.m. Sunday is a little bit of a later start at 9 to 3:30. So just go online, 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com, or give us a call. We'll come out, we'll give that free estimate, and if you're satisfied, we'll do the job same day.
Amazing. Thank you so much for coming in. You guys are so great.
Thank you.
Thanks again, Bennett.
Thank you.